You slept, you rested, but you still feel tired. Why? Because your problem isn't sleep, it's your energy. And most people get this completely wrong. They think, maybe I need more sleep, maybe I'm just lazy. But that's not the truth. You can sleep 8 hours and still wake up exhausted, because tiredness is not just physical, it's mental. Let me explain. Every day, your brain is overloaded. Too many thoughts, too many decisions, too much scrolling, too much noise, and your brain never truly rests. Even when your body is in bed, your mind is still active, processing, worrying, thinking. That's why you wake up tired. Not because you didn't sleep, but because you didn't recover. And there's another problem: dopamine overload. Every time you scroll, watch videos, or switch apps, you flood your brain with stimulation. Fast, easy, constant. So when it's time to do real work, or even just sit quietly, your brain feels drained because it's used to intensity, not calm, not focus, just stimulation. And that leads to something dangerous: mental fatigue. You're not physically tired, you're mentally exhausted. That's why even small tasks feel heavy. That's why you don't feel like doing anything. And that's why rest doesn't fix it. So how do you fix this? You don't just sleep more, you recover better. Step 1, reduce mental noise. Less scrolling, less constant input. Give your brain space. Step 2, take real breaks. Not phone breaks, not social media, but actual silence. Walk, sit, breathe, do nothing. Step 3, protect your energy. Not everything deserves your attention. Every small distraction is draining you. And the more you protect your focus, the more energy you get back. That's the shift. Energy doesn't come from rest alone. It comes from control. Control of your attention, control of your input, control of your mind. So next time you feel tired, don't just ask, how much did I sleep? Ask this: how much did I overload my brain? Because once you fix that, you don't just feel less tired, you feel alive again.